No matter what, they'll never take this from me. My rain goes farther than their eyes can see, but I can see. I party and I like to play a lot. Girls come through, but they don't stay a lot. I'm twisted off at the white man. How can he lose it, nigga? I mayonnaise stop. That just means that it's bread to get. Cheese by the pound, more lettuces. We starve the feds and tomato red. They can't catch them too. Our fetishes like feeding the fan, being the man, greeting some fans, freaking these chicks that need me to be deep in their pants, leave them in trance. I am the champ when it comes to that D in my pants. Can't silence the loud sounds. You smell the weed in my pants. Shout out my man that understood and gave me in advance. Yeah, we are so close, nigga. Don't mean to boast, nigga. Coffee and toast, we getting it early, get ready to toast, nigga. We are so close, nigga, that I can float, nigga. I am the most high that I've ever been in my fucking life. Every time I open up my eyes and I see the loving skies, I think about haters. Fuck them. I love these fucking guys, cause hate is love and love is hate. Bad was good, not good is great. So what more can I fucking say? It's amazing, 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 it's amazing. Oh, it's amazing. Oh.